Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Queen, and I am here with my another video. This video is about some beautiful and amazing kind of footwears which looks very pretty and very beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of footwear. It's in a different white color like slipper kind of thing, and watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of footwears that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting, more beautiful and more pretty, and add a beautiful touch of glamour and sophistication. And as you know, these sandals are the popular type of footwear perfect for warm weather, offering comfort, breathability, and style with various designs from strappy stilettos to casual flip flops. Sandals like cater to different occasion and preferences. They can be dressed up or down, making them suitable for beach trips, outdoor activities, or casual outings. Sandals offer feature adjustable straps, cushioned footbeds, and arch support, prioritizing comfort without compromising on style. And as you know, these um, footwears have undergone a remarkable transformation driven by advance in technology, shifting consumers' preference and growing awareness of sustainability. Today, the industry offers a vast array of options from high performance athletic shoes engineered for speed and agility to stylish eco-friendly designs. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.